Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy setup for live stream if you want to play your guitar. This is really basic and simple to do, but you are going to need a pedal. This is a multi-effects pedal right here. It's called the Vox Stomp Lab. You're also going to need this interface here. This is the Irig HDX. Okay, you're also going to need instrument cable, and it comes with the USB-C to lightning bolt, and it detects it. So my phone detects it, so I should be able to live stream no problem. The only thing is that I won't be able to chat with anybody or talk because it's only going to be picking up my audio signal coming from the effects pedal, but that's all right. So all we want to do is just do a little performance with the guitar. Yeah, quick and easy setup right here. So I'm just going to plug in my guitar in there. We're just going to go into the input of the Vox right there. So that's the input. Okay, and then the output is going to go into the guitar input of the HD rig, and then the signal is going to go out via the USB-C right into the phone, and that's the audio signal that the audience is going to hear. And you're also going to want to put some headphones on, and that's just to get your monitor set up. So there are my headphones right there. All right, so let me set everything up, and then I'll include what it looks like when I'm playing once I get the live stream rolling. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so the guitar is plugged in, and I just have it semi set up right there, and then we're almost ready to go live. I got my guitar on, and yeah, we're gonna kick this off, and then I'll have a playback for you. But that's essentially it if you want a quick setup to have effects on your guitar on your live stream.